Hi everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're planning to resell your iPhone or give it to someone else, erasing the data on your smartphone is quite necessary. However, you might suddenly find that you can't remember the lock screen passcode, which means you can't erase the data. It's really a tough issue, but don't fret, be happy, as in this review will show you this 3 effective ways to erase the data on your iPhone without passcode. Let's dive in right now. Here we'll use an efficient tool that is called AnyUnlock. With AnyUnlock utility, you can erase your iPhone without a passcode in just 3 simple steps. What's more, once you've erased your iPhone using AnyUnlock, you can smoothly remove the old Apple ID and set up a brand new one, giving you full control over your iPhone again. Next, let's look at how to use these tools to erase iPhone without a passcode. First, open AnyUnlock on your PC or Mac and click on Lock Screen Passcode option. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB or Type-C cable and click on Start Now button. Now, select Download Path and click on the Download button to download the latest available iOS firmware. After the firmware is downloaded, click on Unlock Now option. Then AnyUnlock will unlock the screen passcode automatically. Please don't disconnect your device until it restarts automatically. Finally, when the process is completed, you will see the screen passcode removed successfully interface and your iPhone has been erased. Well, it's just so simple as that. If you have installed iTunes on your Windows computer, you can use it to restore your locked iPhone and erase it without a passcode. For that, put your iPhone into recovery mode according to its generation. When you see the recovery mode screen, connect your phone to your computer via USB or Type-C cable. iTunes on Windows or Finder on Mac will pop up and you can choose Restore iPhone option. Please wait for a while and you can set up your iPhone from scratch. Last but not the least, there is another way to erase iPhone without passcode, and that is using iCloud official website iCloud.com. But please know, this method requires you turn on Find My iPhone feature right on your device. For that, go to iCloud.com official website and log in with your own Apple ID account. Then select Find My iPhone feature from the list of options displayed and click on All Devices menu. Here, choose the iPhone you wish to erase and click on Erase this iPhone button. Then wait for some time and your iPhone will be erased automatically. Hope that all the tips were kinda useful. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video really helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends on the social nets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time. Peace.